Behind every smooth soap bar lies an incredible manufacturing journey. These oil-rich fruits provide one of the main ingredients used to make soap. Steam prepares the fruit for efficient oil extraction. Powerful presses extract pure natural oil from every fruit. Every shipment of natural oil is carefully inspected before production begins. Every ingredient is measured with laboratory precision. This is where the chemistry of soap begins. Every stage is controlled by advanced automation. Slowly, the liquid ingredients transform into smooth soap paste. The fresh soap paste now moves to the next stage where moisture is carefully removed. The soap base is finally complete, but it still has to become the smooth, beautifully scented bars found in millions of homes. Next, you'll see how soap noodles are made and transformed into luxury beauty soap. The fresh soap paste is still too wet to become a beauty soap bar. Now, powerful drying systems remove the remaining moisture. The dried soap is now transformed into soft flakes.
Subscribe to my channel.
These tiny soap noodles are the foundation of every finished soap bar. Natural color is blended evenly throughout the soap. Triple milling removes every tiny air pocket and creates an incredibly smooth texture. Each pass makes the soap softer, smoother, and more luxurious.
Subscribe to my channel.
The soap now begins to take its final form. Computer-controlled cutters prepare every soap bar with perfect precision. Every bar is cut to exactly the same size and weight. Powerful presses create the familiar beauty soap shape. Each soap bar leaves the press with a flawless finish. Cooling strengthens every soap bar before packaging. Artificial intelligence checks every soap bar before packaging. The soap bars are finally complete, but they still need protection before reaching millions of homes. Every soap bar is sealed to preserve its fragrance and freshness. Every package receives complete production information for full traceability. Artificial intelligence checks every package before shipment. The soap bars are automatically grouped for shipping. The soap bars are now ready to travel across the country.
Subscribe to my channel.
One shopping trip completes the factory's incredible journey. Now the soap is ready for the purpose it was created for.
Its smooth texture and rich lather are the result of remarkable engineering. From natural oils to luxury skincare, every step is guided by science and precision.
Every bar carries an incredible story hidden beneath its smooth surface.